सिंपल सी बात है। अगर तुम्हें पता है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में और राइट हैंड साइड में किस चीज का अंतर है? एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं पता। एंड ही सेड इट्स जस्ट द माइंडसेट। यू विल एक्चुअली फॉल बैक इनटू द सेम पिट। वो बोलते हैं ना अभिमन्यु चक्र। तुम एक बार अंदर घुस गए तुम।
So, if one looks at the alchemy of success, what one finds is that two distinct virtues pop up apart from perseverance and success. And those virtues, of course, are willingness and strength. Entrepreneurship Development Cell of Shri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce feels elated and honored to introduce to you all one such persona who did not start his career by being an entrepreneur, but was motivated to such an extent that today he is a successful entrepreneur. Mr. Sahil Tanwar sir, he is the CEO of BMT Cup, an ethical hacker, and also a business developer. We welcome you, sir.
First of all, that was a very heartwarming regards from your side, and it was actually great. It brings a flashback of all the things, ethical hacker, business developer, and now working for BMD Cup. Thank you for that.
Uh, so, sir, diving right into the interview now, the first question which I would really want to ask you on behalf of everybody out there is that once someone gets into this lifestyle of a corporate, let's say a corporate lifestyle, a lot of times people fall a prey to this lifestyle only. People get scared that how would I be able to handle so much? How would I be able to? It is better and it is much more convenient for me to, let's say, just continue with a job. Although initially they really wanted to become an entrepreneur, they really wanted to start something of themselves. But then once they enter this web of, let's say, the corporate job environment, most of the times people fall a prey to that mindset of being this is convenient. You know what I mean? What do you have to say about that?
So there's a very basic, simple model for that. Have you heard about the ESBI model?
No, sir, I haven't.
So, this is a very basic concept, that was introduced to me by that virtual mentor, which I was mentioning, Mr. Jaideep Man. Okay. So, just over having coffee and, that guy just sat with me. He was telling me that imagine I make I just make a line horizontally and vertically divided into 4 boxes. Okay. So if I have 4 boxes, so, there will be 2 boxes on the left hand side and there are 2 boxes on the right hand side. So just whatever I'm speaking, try to make it imaginary how that things actually work out. So left one is E and S, and right side is B and I. All right. Okay. E stands for the employee. S stands for the self-employed. B stands for the business owner, and I stands for the investor.
Something like
what's the worst part? Yeah, and what's the worst part of this? 97% of the people are on the left-hand side. And 97% of the people are either the employed or the self-employed. And at the same time, only 3% of the people are either the business owners or the investors. But at the same time, what actually stuck in my head, that was, even though those people are on the 3% tiers, those people actually have the 97% of the wealth compared to the people on this side. So 97% of the people just have 3% of the wealth, and those 3% people have the 97% of the wealth. So he asked me, how long would it take you to jump out from the left hand side to go to the right hand side? And I was like, I have no clue. I have no clue how am I supposed to do it. I really don't know. And he was like, see, he always, he used to mention like, Guru, let me tell you one thing. सिंपल सी बात है। अगर तुम्हें पता है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में और राइट हैंड साइड में किस चीज का अंतर है? And I was like, नहीं पता. And he said, it's just the mindset. It's just the mindset of a person, what it makes it. And that 3%, even though people know about the idea, even though people have the great potential to do it, they won't do it. But I was like, suppose karo, if I get into Google or any big company, if I'm making so much of money, why do I even want to get somewhere? चाहे मैं 40 साल एक ही नौकरी कर लूँगा ना, why do I even need to go there? So I'll ask you one thing. So suppose that you get into Amazon and they're paying you 50 lakh rupees. 50 lakh is the annual package for you. So do you think it's easy for you to leave that job?
Sir, if I am only speaking for myself now, I Personally, I have always wanted to become an entrepreneur. I wanted to become a businesswoman since a very young age. So if I would be working at Amazon, my motivation wouldn't be the salary. My motivation would be to get those kind of connections and to get, to learn that how it functions so that I am able to set up Amazon someday, you know?
This is the basic thing which I was talking about, the 97% and the 3%. So, I can say you have a mindset of those 3% people, but most of the friends that you have, they'll be like, why would I even leave that company if they're giving me so much of money? So, people actually fall into this trap, and, the bigger your buckets are, the bigger the holes in the buckets are. They don't realize that.
Also, sir, adding to that, like a lot of times it so happens that one is not able to make out because there is such a vast variety of things that someone is interested in, that ये भी कर लेते हैं, ये भी करना चाहिए, ये भी करना चाहिए. So how does one actually decide कि ये करना चाहिए?
सो इसका ना एक बहुत ही सिंपल सा आंसर है. तो जनरली क्या होता है कि हमारे पास 10 प्लान होते हैं, 10 आइडियाज होते हैं कि अब क्या करना है, इसमें क्या करना है, किस तरीके से करना है. सो और इफ यू हैव अ प्लान बी, दैट्स द वर्स्ट थिंग यू कैन एक्चुअली डू. There are just three things which I think a person should follow on. That is, one of the thing is what my mind is telling me. Second thing is what my physical body is telling me, and third thing is what the fundamental energies are telling you. So having multiple ideas and multiple plans, what they will do is they will divide your potential and they will divide your energy. So now तुम यहाँ के रहोगे, now तुम वहाँ के रहोगे, and you will be end up with the fact that just a regret. And once you have a regret, you will be in that trap of the life again and again कि मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है, मैं ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा. एक आइडिया है, have faith, have belief, start working on it. You make a mistake, do a case study, make it, bring some improvements into it. Again, launch it. You will fail again, but just keep doing it. But if you're failing again and again, it's never a pretty bad idea to go and talk to someone or either have a
And get
mentor
an advice.
and ask him why are you just say if I didn't have Jaideep Man at that specific time, I wouldn't have been able to proceed further because sometimes we will have this attitude that अगर मुझे ये चीज पता है, so I am far superior to the other person. Every person can make you learn something and you should take that as a gratitude. चाहे कोई छोटा बच्चा है, he will tell you something and you will learn from him. So that learning process will eventually get you to earning. So once your learning is over, you can start making money. So that is it.
Okay, so sir, now digressing from this a little bit, in the course of the conversation that we've had, you've told us about your mentor repeatedly. So can you just tell, a little bit about the importance of mentorship in entrepreneurship, how important it is to have a mentor in life?
The point is never look for a mentor. You will get him eventually. तुम्हें खुद मिल जाएगा. This is, that is like a topic, when you're trying to find a girlfriend, you'll not find it, but she'll actually come out of nowhere. That is a very personal thing how people actually compare it. कि अगर तुम लड़कियों के पीछे भागोगे, तुम्हें नहीं पता चलेगा how will you actually, you're just running behind girls, but you never know when the perfect person is going to be for your life. So if we talk about the mentorship, if you have an idea, they will help you understand the loopholes in the process and the mistakes which you can make. तो एक ही गलती को बार बार रिपीट करना बहुत बेवकूफी है. तो इवेंचुअली मैं करता क्या था कि ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा, unless just find the people who are actually willing to help you out and understand the process with you. Just randomly go out to the people, talk to them on LinkedIn, and you never know who you can strike. So कभी भी कोई भी मिल सकता है, and this is pretty important for the people.
Yes, sir, absolutely right. I was just thinking about what you said, what you said earlier about idea. Okay, so sir, how can one find, if let's say one wants to become an entrepreneur also is a problem solver, right? At the end of the day, entrepreneurship is also about solving let's say a specific problem. So how important do you think it is to have the right idea? I mean, and how can one, and what is the importance of, let's say, innovation?
So, if you're talking about the ideas and innovation, most of the startups fail because, they're not doing any validation. जो चीज हमें लगता है ना अच्छी है, वो लोगों को क्या पता अच्छी ना लगे, and you are putting too much money for something, you're putting too much something. So, create Google Forms, create surveys, and, validate your idea. So, because, even though when you go to the investors, सबसे बड़ी चीज क्या है? They would actually look for the validation. So they'll be
Hmm.
like, how many people will you talk to your idea? And how many people actually responded to your idea? And what was the feedback of the people? And what was the percentage that people were divided into? So, if I say that I would charge 500 rupees for the people to talk to a mental health therapist, and some people were like, just give them a range, find the average of that, and, just see the graph where people actually lie. So, even though if you have a great idea, it doesn't actually matter. Your validation is the biggest thing that should be happening. Because जो लोग आपको validate कर रहे हैं ना, वही लोग आपके पहले customers बनेंगे.
So most of the times I feel it also happens, adding to what you just said. Most of the times I also feel that it happens that people feel that उनका idea नया है, but actually something like that already exists in the market. Most of the times it happens.
Absolutely. Yeah. So um, there was another guy who was, when I was talking about Sheffitology and all these things, I told him I want to do something like this. So he was like, ऐसा तो already एक Facebook page है जो ये कर रहा है. So I was like, हाँ तो company तो नहीं है ना जो ऐसा कर रही है. So he was like, but still that guy is making money out of it. और तू तो company की बात कर रहा है, वो अकेला कर रहा है. So, you never know. So, you should have proper research and development part of it, understand it. Because without R&D, you're not doing anything. You will actually fall back into the same pit. वो बोलते हैं ना अभिमन्यु चक्र तुम एक बार अंदर घुस गए तुम so this is how I actually compare things to it.
Okay.
That first level is the research and development of it. चक्र का दूसरा पार्ट है तुमको उसको कैसे वैलिडेट करना है. चक्र का तीसरा पार्ट कैसे लोग मिलेंगे. चौथा पार्ट तुम कैसे उसको एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हो. पांचवा पार्ट तुम कैसे उस चीज को आगे इनोवेट कर पा रहे हो. छठा पार्ट तुम उस चीज को कैसे मतलब स्केल अप कर पा रहे हो. एंड सातवां how you're actually making into forms.
True.
So this is the idea.
Apart from that, sir, what is your message to all the people out there and the students who will be watching this who want to become a job creator someday? What is your message to them?
So, if I had to give a message, so I personally believe that, me with my firm, I'm not at a specific stage right now that, that people would actually listen to me compared to any other person who's actually at a pretty big post. So, but still, one of the things is if you're dreaming for something, there's a quote from that, that movie Pursuit of Happiness, when they
Mhm.
actually talk about, don't let anybody else tell you that you cannot do something. Not even
True.
me, not even anybody else. If you got a dream, you have to protect it. You are the protector of your dream, and if you think you can do something, you can do it. So, two sides of the story. If you think you can do something, you are right. And if you think you cannot do anything, you're absolutely right for that situation as well. It's just
Yeah.
so just have belief and faith in your idea, and you can do anything. Trust me for that.
I think that this entire conversation in itself is very motivational for all the students out there. So, sir, just one last question. Sir, what is your mantra for success? I really wanted to ask this.
So, one of the biggest mantra is enjoy whatever you're doing.
True.
Just don't take that as a stress ke ab nahi ho raha. Because if you fall for that ab nahi ho raha, then you're not doing anything. So just take your break whenever you need it. Sometimes you might also, just be like, okay, just go out and just travel around. So do that. But the point is, do whatever you're doing, just do it happily. That's the biggest thing which you can do to bring the overnight success for you. That's pretty much.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a lovely conversation that we've had, and I absolutely learned a lot just by conversing with you. Thank you so much for making the time, and we really appreciate the effort.
Thank you so much, Muskan, for this interview. This was like a memory for all the flashback which we had. And at the same time, this is a great initiative, which I would say that you guys have got with the EDC. And I would actually, tell people to go and watch out and, be the job creators. And, this is a great channel. And I personally would be subscribing to this channel because, learning is never going to stop. And I would actually want to see who comes up next for your next interview. And, it's just a great learning thing.
Thank you,
And
sir.
thank you so much, Muskan.